Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up life's here we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence, happiness overflows. Your love and light, it truly shows. It's your day, so let's unwind with laughter and friends combined. Celebrate, leave worries behind. Come on, let's have a good time. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with you. Forever I will be with. Blow out the candles, make a wish. Let's sing it loud, dance with a switch. Another year, another cheer. For you will make the whole world clear. From sunrise till the stars ignite, we'll celebrate you with all our might. Happy birthday to you, shining bright. We'll party on till the morning light. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with you.
Hi, happy birthday Ma'am Rosalina. Ang wish ko lang po sa birthday mo ay sana po nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. At more birthdays to come. Stay kind and beautiful. Sana kung ano mang kahilingan mo sa iyong karawan, sana matupad po yan, Ma'am Rosalina. At sa lahat ng naitulong nyo po sa akin, maraming salamat po, at lalo na po sa aking pamilya. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And many more birthdays to come. May God bless you always, Ma'am Rosalina.
Hi Mom, happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your day today.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Rosalina.
Happy birthday.
Ha?
Happy birthday, Ma'am Rosalina. Mayong panglawas ni mo permi. Daghang salamat. More blessings to you and to your family. Happy birthday.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Batiin mo si Auntie Rosalina Armo kung hindi wala kang regalo sa Christmas. Happy birthday nga pala kay Auntie Rosalina R from Kaara Team. This is Kaaruba TV. Mabuhay ka!
Ika lang, may aso.
Start na.
Okay, in 1, 2, hindi ako pwede mag-mute kasi ako nga magpapamusic eh. In 3,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
okay,
Happy
yata.
birthday,
Here we
happy
go.
birthday, and the star burning tonight. Happy
Kuya Don.
birthday to you.
Ayun, siyempre, bago ang lahat, gusto ko munang batiin. Gusto kong batiin muna ang ating birthday celebrant. Ang aking mine na si Ma'am Rosalina. Ayan. Ayan, sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan, ano? Maraming salamat sa walang sawa mong alalay sa aming mga maliliit na kaibigan. At maraming salamat din sa walang sawa mo na suporta, no? Sa araw ng kaarawan mo, ano? Sana lagi kang mag-iingat. Gabayan ka lagi ng Panginoon. Laging masaya, di ba? Para pag tayo masaya, malayo tayo sa ating karamdaman, ano? Kaya papasalamat ako lagi na nandyan ka palagi. Yan. At laging masaya, laging naka-smile. Ayan. Maraming salamat at happy birthday. Yan. Magsaya ka hanggat gusto mo. Alright. Okay na.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh yeah. Sayo muna. Sayo muna.
Talaga, ano?
Ayan, of course, aking one of Kaara Team, Sis Rosalina. Happiest birthday sa'yo. Ayan, mag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito. Kaya, ayan, wish ko lang sa'yo, Sis Rosalina, good health, na lagi ka maging masaya. At yun lang, keep smiling. Happiest birthday. Yahoo! Ayan, happy birthday, Sis Rosalina. We love you. Mwah, mwah. Ayan na. Sasayaw pa ba ako?
Sayo muna, sayo.
Sakit ng balakang ko.
Palitan na yan, palitan. Okay, go. Manawagan ka na.
Rosalina, happy birthday, Sis Rosalina. Ayan na, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, yun nga sa yung kalusugan, na sana lagi kang healthy, at always happy lang, Sis Rosalina. Wala tayong reason para maging malungkot. Life is too short, kaya happy lang tayo lagi. Have a wonderful, healthy birthday and many more to come. Happy birthday, Sis Rosalina. We love you.
Sayo mo na, dali. Saya!
Happy birthday to you.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday.
Oh, palitan.
Pusit.
Oh, sayaw.
Sayaw.
Oh yeah.
Ayan, sana sinishare ko, di ba? Nakamute. Happy birthday, sis Rosalina. Ayan, thank you sa always pag-share mo ng iyong blessing. Ayan, so pag-share mo ng iyong blessing, maraming salamat. Wish ko sa'yo ay, syempre, good health. Ayan.
Dito. Ano na yan?
May kape pa dito.
I-mute.
I-mute mo ate, i-mute.
Ayan, meron pa po ako naririnig na kapitan. Hindi ko alam wala. Ayan, ayan, balik tayo kay ano. Ito talaga si Kuya doon eh. Ano to eh. Balik ng moment eh. Ayan, balik tayo kasi si Rosalina. Si Rosalina, happy birthday. Ayan, wish ko sa'yo ay good health. At saka, ayan. Thank you po talaga sa lahat. Sa pag-share mo ng blessings, sa pag-share mo ng mga magagandang aral, ayan, sa mga binabasa mo tuwing umaga. Ayan, maraming salamat si Rosalina. And happy birthday again. Love.
Oh, sayaw.
Ang ingay kasi ni Kapitan eh.
Kaya.
Kapitan natin.
Ano ba yan?
Sayaw.
Ayan na.
Yan.
Wala, itak up sinag.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Rosalina. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa payo ninyo nung time na nawala ako. Ayan, salamat po. Hindi po rin kayo nakakalimot. Maraming salamat po sa mga share ninyo mga words of God. Patuloy nyo lang po yan. Good health po lagi, Ma'am Rosalina. Enjoy life lang po. At sana magsama-sama ulit tayo ng mas matagal pa po. Salamat po, Ma'am Rosalina. Happy birthday po sa inyo na. Salamat po.
Magwaki naman, waki.
Wala, i-stack up eh.
Hindi ako i-stack up.
Kapitan! Paki-mute nga, Kapitan! Kapitan, paki-mute nga yung Kapitan!
Next.
Ang pogi naman ito eh.
Siyempre, minsan lang to.
Ay, bawal magpa-cute. Sumayaw. Wisit.
Happy birthday, Ate Rosalina. Yan, lahat po ng mga wish mo sa kampal mo. Yan, good health. At sana marami pang matulungan. And always be happy. Life is short. Enjoy lang po natin, di ba? Yan, sa lahat ng oras, gawin natin dapat.
Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Muna sa'yo.
Yahoo! Happy birthday! Yung Kapitan natin na nahimik na.
Laglag yung Kapitan.
Mag-mute na kayong lahat. Mag-kuhan na kayo. Tanggalin yung mga kuhan influence.
Mag-kuhan na kayong lahat.
Oh yeah. As usual, at ito na naman tayo at isang taon na naman ang nakalipas. At kami sa KTV team na bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday! Ayan at ang kinocongratulate ko ang iyong channel at ayan na successfully monetize na. At sa iyong career, ang wish ko sa iyong career ay tuloy-tuloy pa na magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong magandang karir ngayon sa iyong trabaho at sa iyong kalusugan at sa iyong health. Ayan, at sana itong darating na panahon ay tuluyan kang gumaling at kami naman ay umaasa at na tuluyan ng ikaw ay gagaling sa iyong karamdaman kung ano man yung nararamdaman. At kami naman ang nararamdaman namin ngayon ay magsasaya dahil ngayon ay yung pagdiriwang natin ang iyong kaarawan ng iyong birthday. At from all of KTV team, kami ay nagpapasalamat at nagsasaya sa iyong karawan. And happy birthday, Rosalina! Oy, wala.
Ano yun?
Okay na.
Ayan, happy birthday, Sis Rosalina!
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day. God bless you always. Mwah, 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 mwah,
Happy
mwah.
birthday, Sis Rosalina! We love you! From KTV family!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Good health.
Yan, happiest birthday, Sis Rosalina. Enjoy mo yun.
Enjoy lang.
Enjoy your day!
Punong-puno ng ang mga
Enjoy ka sa iyong
kakulitan
dibo.
at saka mga kabusitan.
Enjoy ka, Ma'am Rosalina, sa iyong dibo.
Happy 18th birthday ka na.
And once again,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sis Rosalina!
Sabay-sabay tayo. Tapos sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay.
Sige, sabay-sabay.
1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3, happy birthday!
Ano ba yan?
Sige na.
One.
Sige.
Ano ba?
One,
Happy birthday.
2, 3. Happy birthday, Sis Rosalina! Ang pinakamalakas na magsisigaw may Gcash!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sis Rosalina!
Pagdating sa Gcash talaga. Sige. Sis Reds ka nabuhay sa Gcash. Naantok na yan. End mo na yan, Sis Bishop. Happy birthday! Ingat! Enjoy your day! God bless you always, Sis Rosalina!
Okay, at the record is end in 3, 2, 1.
And na.
Di Lola Alin.
Di Lola Alin.
Salamat
Salamat
sa blessing
sa blessing.
na imong gi-share
Share.
katong gioperahan ko.
Upiyahan ko.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Alin. More birthdays to come. Stay young and pretty.
Pretty.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Auntie Alin. Enjoy your day. Salamat sa pagtabang sa pagkupira ni Dudong. Bumping kanunay di, Auntie. Salamat. I love you.
Hi, Auntie Alin. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. You are such a great person. You're a wonderful person. I always cherish you. I love you. And I am grateful for all the help na ibigay mo, na itulong mo sa amin. Napakabait mong tao. You are very sincere. You are a great aunt. You're one aunt na I have nothing but wonderful memories. I really thank you na napakabait mo since maliit pa kami hanggang ngayon. May mga asawa at anak na. But your support and love and your thoughtfulness, it's still always there. And we love you so much, and I hope that you will live life, enjoy life, and more blessings to come. You deserve it, Auntie. You are such a great person, and we love you. Thank you so much, and happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Alin. We love you. God bless. Birthday, Mommy Alin. We love you. God bless.
Hi, Mom. I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And we all miss you very much, and we all love you. And I'm sorry I can't be there to spend it with you like I did last year, but Yeah, we just want you to know that you're very loved. Your Apu loves you. She's currently asleep right now, but she loves you and she misses you very much, and as do I. And I hope you have a wonderful day, Mom, and I love you always. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mom Rosalina! More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Rosalina! Happy birthday, Tita Rosalina, and more birthdays to come. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay mo sa amin, mga suporta mo. Thank you po, Tita. We love you so much. Happy birthday again! Bye!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Rosalina! Everything!
Hello sa lahat ng manunood sa araw na ito sa KKTVT. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat, especially kay Ma'am Rosalina R. Happy birthday, Ma'am Rosalina R. Ang wish ko sa iyo, Ma'am Rosalina, ay sana lagi kang masaya sa birthday mo. Happy birthday, Ma'am Rosalina. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
If you saw me on the train, would you look the other way like strangers do? And if you pass me on the street, would you look down at your feet and move on through?